Right, coming up, we are multiplying surd here. So we have exciting two surds here. So we have square root 3 times square root 2. Because we know that it's multiplied, so both of them are also square root with the same degree. So we can put it down, multiply 2 times 3 equal to square root 6. It's not harder enough. But what the question we give you will be something more horrible and annoying because that's what maths do. So we will have something like this. We will have square root 20 multiplied by 2 square root 5. So what we're going to do is you either change it into multiple 5 or something. For me, I will leave the number as it is, and then I'll square root 20 times 5. It's under the umbrella, so I multiply them. So now we have 2 square root 100. Now I will think of square root 100 is 10. So I will now become 2 times 10. Now 2 times 10 is definitely 200, and that's how we do the multiplication. Alright, and divide works the same, depends on how you do it. So we were going to do some division here. Let's see, 28 over 8. We square root it, either you would simplify that first, 7 over 2, and then you break it down into root 7 over root 2. Or you actually do the same thing, break it down first. Alright, and then we will have 4 times 7 over 4 times 2. So we have square root 4 times square root 7 over square root 4 times 2. Now you can cancel the 4 out. So this is how we have, keep breaking the pencil, square root 7 over 2. That's square root 2. If you want, you can rewrite it like this. I'm equally happy. And so that's how we multiply and divide square root. Alright, coming up we will have some harder one. Let's do the multiplication and division together. So we will have, this time, we will have a square root 2 over square root 4 times square root 8. All I do is just simplify them. So I have square root 2 here. Square root 4 is 2. Now 8 could be, because 8 on the side, square root 8 equals to square root 4 times 2. So I got 2 root 2. Yeah? Sorry. Square root 2 times 2. So what I do is I will multiply this by 2 root 2. I just copy that here. And now again I cancel things out. And the answer, what I left over is 1 over 4. So it might get complicated, but after you cancel out, simplify them, things will be fine. And this is how we multiply and subtract, multiplying and dividing surds.